Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Vamsar. Today we'll see one of the DBT scenario that is warehouse suspension. So by using DBT, I want to suspend the warehouse in Snowflake one more time. So requirement is that what? So by using DBT macro, I want to suspend the warehouse to reduce the computation cost. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. One second. So now I'm in Snowflake Snow site here. Let me create a warehouse. So create a warehouse, something like so Prav extra small warehouse. Okay, simply I'm trying to create a warehouse. How's the list of warehouse? If you see, show warehouses. Okay, control enter. Now see what happened. So my warehouse is what? It's in started status. Okay. So let me suspend manually in Snowflake. Alter warehouse. So your warehouse name and suspend. Okay. So this is the functionality. Here you need to understand what warehouse is mainly for computation power. If you want to perform any DML, DRL, data loading, data unloading, or data ingestion require computation power. Computation power was given by whom? By the virtual warehouse. So requirement is that what? So by using DBT, I want to suspend the warehouse dynamically. How can you do by using what concept? So if you want to perform any this type of command, we should go for what? Go for macros. Okay, create new file. See underscore macro. So see, you can give any name. I'm putting warehouse suspend macro, something like this. So this is the macro name. Now what is syntax? Alter warehouse. So warehouse name. So what's your warehouse name? That is Prav extra small warehouse. Okay. So suspend. Okay. See suspend. Okay. So where I want to save. So control C, control S, control V dot SQL in the macros folder. Okay. This is the functionality. So here you need to understand what directly it can't able to execute this type of command. We should make of what? Makes of setting and end set. Set we can give any name. So QRY something. Okay. Any name. So like PRA. Okay. Underscore set. Okay. End set. We'll see one more time. So same thing. Now where I want to save control S already says set. So this entire statement we are storing in PRA variable and we should make of do run query. So do run query. This is the syntax if you want to perform any DML, DDL or anything in the macro. So setting, end setting. So we are trying to see. So control S. Now what happened for understanding purpose? Let me make it to start status. See resume. Okay, so resume and see the warehouses. Show warehouses. Okay, if you see what happened. See Prav extra small is in started status. Now what happened? I want to make it to suspend. Okay, let me go. Let me run this macro. How to run the macro? This is important. So dbt run hyphen operation and the macro name. So first we'll going for static, then we go for dynamic. Okay. Now see it's success. Now what happened if you see right now it's in started status. When you see show put one more time if I execute now what happened, it should be suspended status. Okay, got the point. One more time if you're not able to understand. So let me go here, open one more session. So see underscore macro. So your macro, suppose like suspend WH something. Okay, see as of now, no arguments are there. So see what is syntax? Alter warehouse name. What's the warehouse name? So Prav extra small. So let me resume. Go here and suspend. Okay, so what is the functionality? If you want to do this type of commands, what we should go for setting underscore set. Okay, set your variable. You can give any name. Suppose like I'm putting ABC. Okay, or like a statement. Okay, now what happened? So setting end set underscore set end set setting and setting instance, then what happened makes of underscore do underscore run query. Okay, so what I need to pass your variable. This entire statement is storing in this statement variable. So control V. So where I want to save control C, control S, control V dot SQL in the macros folder. Okay, got the point. This is the functionality. Now go back and see in Snowflake what happened. So prav extra small. So let me make it to like, so prav extra small, it should be in what status? It should be in started status. Now from dbt, I want run. How to run? So dbt space run hyphen operation and the macro name. Okay, so macro name is suspend warehouse. Now if it execute, now what happened? So it will be right now it's in started state. Now it get suspended automatically. You see the same thing. Started, see state started will get suspended. So this is the functionality. Now here you need to understand what's a static or dynamic. It's a static because we are hard coding the okay warehouse name. Now I want to make it dynamic. How to make it dynamic? By passing variables, by passing arguments. Okay, so this is the argument. How we can say we can put no, it can't able to understand. We should put in the Zinzai expression. So this is the important. So this is the argument. So argument or parameter, see one argument. So we should put inside the Zinzai expression. Now it's a static or dynamic. Now it's a dynamic. Now you need to understand how to call when you have dynamic, when you have arguments. See, so this is normal. So dbt run hyphen operation on the macro name. So with this, without arguments. Now I'm having arguments. Now how to run? So dbt run hyphen operation macro name hyphen args. We should put single quote or double quotes. The JSON format. Okay. So key value pair. So key. Okay. So we'll put so key and the value. Okay, so value. Okay, see, same thing. So dbt space run hyphen operation and the macro name. What's our macro name? So suspend warehouse. Now we're having arguments hyphen args. Okay, so put in single quote or double quote the JSON format. Okay, so what's the argument? So v a double h. Okay, now what's the we need to go? Let me make it a resume. See the status. Let's say started. Now what happened? Let me put the same thing. Now remove all these things. So important, use regular this type of use case. Okay, so suspend. Now what happened now? So this should get suspended. Okay. So go ahead and confirm this thing. Okay, say show. Now it says started. Now it should get suspended. Then okay, same thing. Let me see one more warehouse. Okay, let me go for dbt extra small warehouse. Okay, make it to resume. Now see this warehouse. It's in which status? It's in started status. Now what I have, this is the unit testing. After doing anything, no, as a part of developer, we should do the unit testing. So let me go back. So use the same thing. Now control V. Okay, now see what happened. Our warehouse should be so suspended. So see, now it's started. Now it will be suspended. Okay, this is the functionality. Got the point. So this is the use case. So the requirement is that what by using dbt, I want to suspend the warehouse. So why you need to suspend the warehouse? Okay, after performing any models, no, I want to suspend this warehouse. Why? Because to reduce the computation cost to the client. So where we'll use in the post-hook concept. This type of use case you'll see after completion of any model execution or building any models, what happened? So in the post-hook, we'll try to use this type of warehouse dynamically. This is the functionality. Okay. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.